just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Finally, after about 3.5 weeks, I'm beginning to get a bit of space in my freezer. So I'm doing a baking day and I'm going to be putting some things in the freezer. But for tea tonight, we're going to use some of my home canned stuff in a pie. So I'll take you through it now. Yes, I'm baking up some other things as well. I'll show a photograph at the end of what I have done today. Right, now I'm not sure how much I'm going to get in my pie shell, but I'm going to do basically a meat and potato pie. Nice seal. This is my gammon. And I'm saving the juice because either I'll make a gravy with it or I'll give it to Mason. And the meat, same as the chicken, it becomes more shredded when it's gone through the processing. Jar of potatoes. Same again, I'm going to save it. Oh, that's the oven. Back in a minute. I told you I was doing other things as well. So that's potatoes and the meat, and I'll put the rest of the jar of meat in. And I don't think there's going to be room for the carrots and green beans, so I'll do them in a saucepan. But that's a simple meat and potato pie. So I'm going to put a top on this now. It's still got that mark on the screen now, try to clean it off. But never mind, I'll get lurch on it. This is, I've put the top on, glazed it with an egg wash, which is just an egg beaten up and brushed over. Put a vent in the middle so the steam can escape. I'll put it in the centre of the oven on about a medium high heat for about half an hour until it's piping hot throughout and nice and golden brown. And I'll show you pictures at the end. Baking for the day. 2 quiche ones in the freezer, crumpets. Some to eat, some to the freezer. A mince and onion pie for the freezer. The meat and potato pie I just did. We're going to have that for tea tomorrow. And these, let me move it. These are bacon and cheese. Sorry about that. Bacon and cheese wraps, a chocolate crust pastry, or sausage and cheese. So we're going to have them tonight because I'm rather tired. I've got yogurt on the go, bread rising still, but this is today's. See if I can do this without it steaming up, because there's the pie. Bye.
It's a perfect